Hey everybody. So I promised you we would be going to the Iris Festival, and here we are
in historic Greenville.
Yep. And so we were stopped first at this old cabin. Not sure what it is, so we're gonna find out.
We're right in the heart of Greenville.
Yep.
And there's so many things. We live here, but there's so many things that we haven't visited, and we're going to take you along on our adventure.
Right, follow us. We can find out what this old cabin is. I have no idea.
Oh, this is when it was the state of Franklin.
Yeah, apparently. Well, there's the counties of the state of Franklin.
Oh, nice. You see this?
Yeah. Cool. Lamps. The fireplace.
This is sweet.
Stephanie could live here.
I could live here. I love the shutters on the windows. Wow. Not haunted. No.
No, not haunted at all.
And it has a loft, honey.
Yep. It's closed off, so I'm not
rustic.
I'm not climbing up.
Let's go out
there.
here and see what the marquee says.
Okay, let's do that. Hopefully, it's capital law state of Franklin, 1784 to 1788, restored in 1966.
Home of Andrew Johnson, 17th President of the United States. He was tailor shop, the corner depot and College Streets is where we're at right now.
Yep. So there it is. Pretty cool.
Sweet.
So the book bus, when that window is open, it looks like it says the boob bus though. Only I would read
into that
boob bus when it's book bus. The fire truck, and there we go. We're going in to the multitudes.
Greenville Fire Company represented. Oh, look over there, the Tusculum mascot.
Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna go say hi to him. We should go say hi to him. We should go check him out. You got a friend. Maybe I could give her to you, trade her for something. Your hat for her?
No. Nice meeting you. Yeah. No. He's got all the moves, baby. We're taking lessons.
And Stephanie wanted me to point out the quilt on the
building.
Yep.
They have that going on a lot of places down here. These are some cool pattern paintings you can hang outside.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the wedding ring one. Yeah, we know that. We're familiar with that one with Amish.
And a stool for you to get up
and down the bed.
There's a lot of stuff.
Somebody did a beautiful iris in the parking lot of the food truck alley.
Yep, food truck alley. And I shouldn't be doing this yet because I'm not hungry at all, but...
Oh, we hear a band practicing.
Yeah, I think that's up here too.
There's quite a few people dressed up in Renaissance gear.
Yeah, I told you the Renaissance things here.
have y'all's picture if you'd like.
Okay.
Well, we got a question. Does the bear have a name yet?
Not yet. We have
Not
a
yet?
naming contest.
Ah,
Please help us name our bear.
Honey.
It will be announced tomorrow.
Yeah,
So,
Honey Bear would be like the best.
Yes. Discover Greeneville TN.com. Submit all the suggestions.
Awesome. Thank you.
For sure.
Some hillbilly hot honey. Nope.
I wish you guys could smell this.
Yeah,
It smells
my
so
God.
good.
Andrew Johnson. They're cool. Jewelry.
Lots of talented vendors.
Yeah. Iris farmer. You don't see them everywhere.
I was trying to go at my when you've done something for so many years, even though you're retired, I found myself got right back in conversing with the
Some of these irises. Look at that. Look at those irises.
Oh my goodness.
And of course, Stephanie's gonna go right to the Christmas decorations.
I like these. They look like wood. Oh, cute. Oh. Here we're going to get one of these pies. He's ready. Everything looks so good, just like we remember it from Pennsylvania. Getting a pie. Pavilion
Yep, and there's a little picture thing back there for kids.
and a little playground.
Yep, that's cool. So, it's my fried pie,
What flavor?
cherry. And we're gonna try this. We're gonna down this right now.
You have to tell us whether it's as good as the Amish pie. Nice.
Really good.
I'm glad you like it. I got to sample some keto fudge cake. Oh my gosh.
Which we will show you that here very shortly. So what do you think so far?
It's so fun. I'm loving it. It's so fun.
Yeah, there's a lot of vendors.
People are so kind, so nice. You know how some places you go, there's crowds that suck. And then this is a very friendly crowd.
Now there's another one of those
Building quilts.
yeah. And they have this like little Renaissance area, which is kind of cool. I only see the little girls dancing. What's up with that?
Howdy do.
The costumes are amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In the Appalachian Renaissance.
Oh, there's a truck I'd like.
This starts the antique car section.
Yeah.
I used to have a Nova.
Yeah. How long did you have
It
it?
was baby blue. I had it for a week and it ran out of oil, and of course I didn't know what to do when it ran out of oil, but somebody knew what to do with it and they towed it away to the junkyard.
An 86 4Runner. That's pretty cool.
86, all my peeps out there from class of 86.
I'm not gonna walk the whole way down there, just so we're aware.
Because we're not going to walk back up the hill.
Yeah, I don't mean to be lazy, but I know Stephanie's limits.
Stunning.
Yep, that's cool.
That's a great backdrop.
The Sugarland's truck.
And here's Main Street in historic Greenville.
Yep, and we could make some moonshine right here.
Out of the back of the truck.
Out of the back of the truck. I don't know that the cop would appreciate that.
He's standing right beside the moonshine truck.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty cool too.
I believe our son had little matchbox, one of those. Pretty sure.
Yeah, or something similar.
They're in excellent condition. These car people know
Yep.
how to party.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, that little green one there.
Nobody with arthritis is getting in and out of that one.
Now we got
They're doing, but they laugh a lot behind the green door.
Stephanie's dream car.
Wish they'd let me in so I could find out what's behind the green door. Not once tried to tell
Oh, wow. Sexy color.
Yeah.
doors hospitality.
Yep. Yeah. Good old Greenville.
They're working on the roads in Greenville.
Yep. Old cars for days. They had, they're like back porch antiques, huh?
I like it. We've been there.
don't take that one over a speed bump.
No way.
That's cool. Nice.
Detail, detail.
Life-size Tonka truck. That was pretty cool. Look at that. Yep.
Pair of antlers look good on you.
Yep. On the hood.
There's definitely some nice ones here. I seen that hill filling one up there's a nice C10. It's a real shit. And they got yeah.
That was cool.
They don't. I think I'm not seeing it.
I've never been that big on vehicles myself personally. To me, hey, this is a Gremlin. Didn't you own one of them too?
I did.
How long did that one last you?
A couple years.
Couple years?
I had an Impala too. I had a dark brown Impala. One of my dad's teacher friends gave it to me as my first car.
How long did that one last?
I probably ran it out of oil.
There's a theme here.
Oh. Yeah?
Can't go anywhere without grabbing a candle, can ya?
Not today.
That is my food. What did I say? What did I send it the first one?
Yeah, that's the baby one. Yeah, that's mine. He's 12 now. Yes, that is mine.
Leaving me lonely, silver slowly fading out of sight. Don't leave me, I cry. Don't take that airplane ride, but you blocked me out of your mind, and then standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, ringing guns, headed somewhere in flight. They've taken you away, leaving me lonely. She was a working girl, north of England way. Now she's hitting the big time in the USA. And if I could only see her, this is what I'd say. Honey pie, you are making me crazy. I'm in love, but I'm lazy. Won't you please come home? Oh, honey pie.
We stopped here quick at the Greenville water tower. And that's to wrap up this video.
And I wanted to tell you, we wound up getting farmhouse candle from from old stage candle makers, and they the farmhouse actually smells like pipe tobacco, and that's one of my favorite scents, so that was a given.
Yep.
And it's the best pipe tobacco scent that I've ever smelled.
Right.
So if it brings back memories, anybody who had pappy that smoked pipes, you know, it's a good fond memory. Anyway, the other thing we did was stop at that Keto place.
Yeah.
And she gave me a sample of fudge chocolate cake. Well, I'll tell you this, the size piece of cake was $9. It was as big as my hand, and it would probably be 3 servings, and there was only 9 grams of carbs in it. I wanted to get it so bad, but she gave me a sample, and I tried it, and it was like, all it took was a little lick, and it was good. It kept me for the rest of the day. It was rich. I never had anything keto that tastes that decadent. Not to this date. Even your cheesecake. So we'll be looking up.
Well, she sells her keto desserts at Troyer's, which we did a video on that place before. If I can figure it out, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below.
But we had a wonderful time. They had iris vendors there, and iris clubs. Yep. And they were expensive, from $7 to $10 a bulb. Yeah, for irises.
They were like special irises.
Yes, of course. So maybe that's really good. But the advice that we got, until we get our kudzu under control, you know, you might want to save your $10 and $7 a bulb.
Right. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day, and thanks for watching.